Yes, I did. And we got the 30 subscriber play button. Yes. Here, I'll bring it up here. But it's a big play button. It's orange. It's an orange play button, which we have gotten from YouTube. I forgot that they contacted us. They contacted us. God damn it! They contacted us a week or 2 ago, something like that, because I didn't really, remember what day it was. They contacted us. We found out that it was a play button that was coming to us because we got a 30 subscriber play button, and she's awake now. You want to see the play button? Here, this is the play button. It's really big. See, this is the play button. 30 subscriber play button. Play button. There, it's a play button. And what's inside of this box is I didn't look at it. Okay, so it's a pig. It's a pig. Pig full of money. Why did we get a pig full of money? This makes no sense. Well, why did we get a pig full of money? Why did we get a pig? Why did we get a pig? I'm just kidding, guys. April Fools! If you watch this video, I don't know what I'm gonna say. If you watch this video, thank you for watching, and happy April Fools. And there's at least two videos coming out pretty soon. Maybe later. And yeah, go show them.
In April, it's gonna be me, my brother's birthday.
Bye. Good night. Peace out. Peace out. Bye. See you guys next time.